Hello everyone, welcome to the AutomationEdge channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the web automation and the web GUI plugin available in Process Studio. In web GUI, we start the browser and mimic the user action with web application. For example, if you want to open your email account on a daily basis, so you can create a workflow and run that workflow on daily basis, and that workflow will going to open your email account automatically. Process Studio supports three browsers. First is Firefox, the version 46 or below, Chrome, the version from 56 till 74, and Internet Explorer, the version is 11. We have ready steps available in the Process Studio for different functionalities. These are the locators with which we are going to identify web elements on the web page. You can use any one of them. Generally, we use XPath, ID, and name. If these three locators are not available, then we can go for the others. Now, the next question is how we are going to fetch values of these locators. The answer is WebSpy tool. With the help of WebSpy tool available in Process Studio, we are going to find values of available locators. This is how the WebSpy tool will look like. And whenever you hover your mouse on a particular element, it will highlight with blue rectangular box like this. These are the web GUI steps available in Process Studio. Let's see a small demo how to use WebSpy tool. First of all, let me show you practically what we are going to automate. We are going to open a browser. Enter the URL. We are going to identify this search text box and type AutomationEdge as a text. After this, we'll press enter from the keyboard and we will be redirected to this page. This is the user action we are going to automate. First of all, we need to open WebSpy tool. Go to Tools, click on Spy and select WebSpy. Enter the required URL and select the browser you are going to work with. Click on Go. It will open a separate instance of a browser. Now you can notice this blue rectangular box. Whenever you hover your mouse on a particular element, it is highlighted. Let's start with the workflow. I am creating new workflow, saving this as wf_webGUI first demo. Now our first step is to open the browser. So for that we have a step called Start Browser. Drag and drop it, double click on it to configure the properties, provide suitable name, enter the URL you want to open. Yes, I want to maximize my window. Yes, this is my start node and I want to get notified at the browser version change. Provide some page load time and some implicit delay. Click on OK. After this, I want to set text AutomationEdge in the search text box. So for that, we need to locate search text box with the help of WebSpy tool. Click on Spy button and hover your mouse on a particular element you want to locate and press Tilt key from the keyboard. You can notice that all the related attributes are here. You can use any one of them. So I'm going to use this XPath. Double click on this and it will get copied to the clipboard. Go to Process Studio. Now to set value in the web element, we have a step called Web Set Value. Drag and drop it, connect it with the previous step. Double click on it to configure the properties. Provide suitable name. Select the criteria you are going to use. We are using XPath. Paste the criteria value over here and the text you want to set. The text is AutomationEdge. And yes, I want to clear the text before set. Click on OK to complete the configuration. After this, I want to press enter from the keyboard. So for performing any action from the keyboard, we have a step called robot handling. Drag and drop it, connect it with the previous one, and double click on it. Provide suitable name. You can check this checkbox whenever you want to use any combination key. For example, Ctrl plus S, Ctrl plus V, Ctrl plus 1, like this. Now in this column, event list, we have three options: mouse, keyboard and string. So if you want to perform right click, you can use mouse and directly write right click in value column. If you want to press any key from the keyboard, then you can use keyboard option, and then you can directly write the key name in the value column. And the third option is string. If you want to type any text directly into the element, then you can use string and mention the text in value column. So currently I'm going to use keyboard option, and the key name is enter. So I have written as it is the key name in the value column. Click on OK. And after this, I want to exit from the browser. So we have a step called exit browser. Drag and drop it and connect it with the previous one. There is no property with this to configure. Simply click on OK. Save your workflow with the help of Ctrl S. You can save your workflow with the help of this, or you can go here and save from here as well. Now let's execute this workflow. Click on Run. Browser is opening. Text is set. Have you seen this? This is so fast. In fact, we couldn't have seen the output. So to see the output, we can provide some explicit delay between our steps. For that, we have a step called delay row. You can simply insert this delay row step between two steps. Double click on it, provide proper name. You can provide time in milliseconds, seconds, minutes and hours. So I am providing in seconds. So let's say I want to wait for 3 seconds. Click on OK. Select the step, copy this with the help of Ctrl C, and you can paste it like this. Like this. So we have two more delay row step. You can insert this DR2 between web set value and robot handling step. Simply click on yes, and this DR3 you can insert over here. Now save your workflow again. Let's execute this once again. The browser is opening and it will wait for 3 seconds before set the text. Text has been set. It will wait for another 3 seconds and then it will exit from the browser. So I hope you get the basic idea of Web GUI plugin and web automation. In our next video, we are going to start with a big use case by which you will get a chance to learn more about Web GUI steps. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.